10 Important Things About Money by Little Wallet. Part 4.
How to make money as a kid. For younger kids, ages 6 and up, making money can be a little more difficult. But most kids have a fantastic social media network to pull from. And they have their parents to back them up and help them find money-making opportunities. Here's the tips how to make money as a kid. 1. Walk dogs. Walking dogs is something that most kids love doing, and most adults could use help with. Plus, if the two of you can do it together, then you both get some fresh air and exercise also. 2. Water plants. Help your child find families that are vacationing, work long hours, or are elderly and just could use a helping hand with their plants. 3. Create a yard sale. Helping your kids go through their old clothes, shoes, and toys is a great way to help your kid make money. Have them set up a yard sale, and whatever money they make they get to keep.
Next part coming soon.